Odereti githurano cia wamurani githiaga na mbere na kuguciria mirugamo itiganite ya kana ithurano ici ni igakorwo na waragania. Mutongoria wa kiama kia ODM Raila Odinga nioritie aria makahotwo matikanahiwe guthamira ciama-ini ingi, akiuga itemi rĩao rigakorwo rĩrĩa bata harĩ gwĩkĩra ngwataniro ya Azimio la Umoja hinya.
That does not mean that the one who have not been elected are useless. No. Or there is no opportunity. There will be an opportunity for everybody. We must have create a win-win situation. So if you're not elected as an MP, something will have the jobs for you. If you're not senator, women rep, or governor, there will be a position for you going forward. But let us remain in the movement together. Don't run away and now go elsewhere.
Akiaria hĩndĩ ya kwamukira ateti kuuma ngwataniro ya UPYA ũndũmwe na Kilifi na Turkana, Odinga ni ahithũrĩtie kwaya aria marĩ na igweta mũno ni makaheo tigiti wa ĩmwe kwa ĩmwe rungu rwa Azimio la Umoja.
Maha kwenu manake.
Ihinda-inĩ o rĩu Odinga ni ahithũrĩtie ati manifesto ya Azimio la Umoja nĩ ĩrĩkĩrĩire no ndĩkũrekererio ica ikuhĩ, akiuga ang'ethanĩri yake matirĩ na agenda na maya gũkobia mĩbango.
Our manifesto is almost ready. We will give it to you. The sections that affect your areas so that you can have an input into it. But we will keep it secret until the strategic time when we will release it. Because we don't want other people to plagiarize it. The other people are talking about bottoms up. Bottoms up is basically just a slogan. It is not an economic theory.
Dereti ya wamurani ciama-ini no ithiete na mbere kurehe wari mwari, kuona rimwe ria riendekithia ria dereti ya kurehe ciama hamwe ni mwandikithia wa ciama arugamĩrĩri mihango ya wamurani, undu uria utungĩtie uragani munene ni ang'ethanĩri a Odinga magĩkũa kũhithĩrwo kandi.
We don't want somebody coming and calling other people madoadoa. Madoadoa. Yeah? Look at Nairobi here.
And therefore, we want to assure you that, will be part and parcel of the political discourse of this country every time. It's for this reason that the leaders of this region have gathered before, as they have stepped forward, to provide leadership and actively contribute to the current political debates and the UPYA movement.
Girifotera Kameme TV, Retore Kon Mwaura wa Dongo.
Na kukubali mwaliko katika chama.